paesani, are you ready for another Sicilian word? Un'altra parola siciliana. Qual è sta parola? Tupiari. What does tupiari mean? It means to knock. In Italian, we say bussare. So let's put it in a sentence. Tu pia sa porta. Knock on the door. And in Italian, we say bussa alla porta. So there's your 3 translations for the one word in Sicilian, tupiari. Thank you so much for following me. Thank you for enjoying my videos. It's very satisfying for me to do these videos for you, and it's motivating. It's wonderful to see how many people enjoy it and get to remember all the words that have been forgotten or suppressed in our memory. So continue watching e ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.